Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to redeem promo codes on Roblox. It's super easy process to redeem a promo codes on Roblox. Just follow me to do it. And the process will be similar for computer and mobile device. On your device, open browser and open Roblox website. And here make sure to sign into your Roblox account. Now click on this URL bar and here you have to remove home after roblox.com/ and make sure it's roblox.com/promo codes PROMOCODES and hit enter, and then you will directly jump into Roblox promo code redeem page. Here all you have to need, just enter here the promo code that you want to redeem and click on redeem, and this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.